in a comfortable seat with your hips a little bit elevated. Take a deep breath in. So, open mouth, sigh out. If it feels good, you can start to close down your eyes. Take one more cleansing breath in and out. Let your hands rest gently. Maybe your palms are up and open. Or maybe your palms are down, but still open. Notice how, and you don't even have to think about it, your breath just comes again, in through the nose. And without having to think about it, the breath just leaves. And let the breath be your anchor here, nothing forced or held, but just notice the inhales and the exhales. Each breath arrives without effort. And when it's complete, it lets go. There's no grasping to the breath or hesitation. Let the breath be an expression of trust. Trusting that you can take in just the right amount and that you can let go fully and completely, knowing that there's more breath to come. And it's time for the next inhale. And notice if there's anywhere that you're holding. Not just in your body necessarily. You could notice some holding in your jaw or shoulders or abdomen. But also maybe in your life. Is there anywhere that you're holding worry? Or holding on to a plan? Or holding on to an identity? Can you soften the energetic grip, whether it's physical or mental, even just a little? Let the breath be the teacher. Again, as we don't cling to the inhales or release the exhales, notice as the breath gently moves in and out. Offering both nourishment and release over and over. And when we hold on too tightly, the things that once nourished us begin to feel heavy. We practice receiving and releasing. Go of the need to control or how things unfold. Coming back to the breath, the awareness. The inhale gently comes in. And the exhale gently goes out. And the next breath in, bring some wiggles to your fingers and toes. Reach your arms overhead. Big stretch. And draw hands into heart center. Feel your palms touching. And bring the energy of the just enough of the inhale and just enough of the exhale into the energy in your palms touching, not pressing or forcing, but also not being super lackadaisical. Feel your palms touching. And let's Om together. Inhale. Clearing breath out. Inhale for Om. When you're ready, take the next breath in and blink your eyes open.
Did you know that in addition to teaching yoga classes and leading yoga teacher trainings, that I have also written a book? It's called Dancing with Ourselves, a practical guide to harness the ego and live on purpose. Head over to my website if you're not already there and check it out. I promise you will be so glad you did.